Make vegetable tzimmes. The tzimmes is a type of stew or casserole which traces its roots to Russian Jewish and Eastern European cuisine. This dish is composed primarily of vegetables and fruit and may also have meat added into it. Tzimmes is cooked very slowly over low heat and has a sweetish flavor coming from its main ingredients. It is a great side dish for family get-togethers or gatherings and is a healthy recipe that is very low in fat but rich in nutrients. To cook your own vegetable tzimmes, follow some simple instructions. Ingredients. For this particular recipe, you will need the following fruits: a cup of pitted prunes, a cup of dried cranberries or dried pears, and a cup of dried figs. For your vegetables, a pound of peeled carrots cut into chunks diagonally, a pound of sweet potatoes, and a pound of diced onions. Your spices will include a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of cayenne. You will also need the juice of half of a lemon, 1/4 cup of honey, a tablespoon of butter, and salt and pepper to taste. Procedure. Take a Dutch oven and fill it up with enough water to be able to cover up your vegetables along with some salt and allow it to boil. Place warm water in a bowl and place in your fruits to soak them for a bit. Prepare your sweet potatoes, carrots, and onions, cooking them halfway through. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Proceed to scooping out about 2 cups of your liquid and set aside. Drain all of your vegetables and return them to your Dutch oven. Pour in your fruit and the liquid they were soaked in while stirring along with the rest of your ingredients. Add in half a cup of your carrot and potato liquid as well. Once done, take a large casserole dish that has been buttered well and place your casserole in. Top it off with dabs of butter. Now cover your casserole dish with foil and place it on your oven. Bake your tzimmes for about 45 minutes, checking every now and then if your dish is getting dry. If it is, you may add in a little bit more of your liquid. After this, remove your foil cover and bake the dish for another 10 minutes or so till it takes on a brownish appearance. Vegetable tzimmes variation. Another way to cook up this dish is to combine carrots and sweet potatoes. You will need 2 1/2 cups of carrots that are cut up into 1-inch pieces, 2 1/2 pounds of peeled sweet potatoes, half a cup of pitted prunes, a cup of orange juice, half a cup of honey, half a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and a pound of margarine. Boil your carrots on a large pot. Lower your heat and continue to simmer for about 5 minutes. Place in your potatoes and place a lid on your pot, allowing your vegetables to cook for another 15 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a shallow baking dish by coating it lightly with a vegetable cooking spray. Place your fruits in a bowl along with your vegetables on a dish and mix the ingredients together. Add in your orange juice, cinnamon, honey, and salt, mixing them till they are well blended with the rest of your ingredients. Pour mixture on the baking dish and dot with margarine. Cover the dish with foil and bake in the oven for around 30 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 15 minutes until vegetables are tender. The vegetable tzimmes is a great dish especially for Weight Watchers who are on the lookout for healthy food alternatives. Although it does not contain meat, it is a satisfying meal rich in essential nutrients and very tasty too.